Dekevic exhaust on my motorcycle. I'm going to just do a slow drive-by for you so you can hear it. I've been trying to find a straightaway in my area where I could do a higher speed run. I found a small strip where I can get up to some kind of speed, we won't say. And when the weather gets nicer, I'm going to take a run there on it. Alright? So I'm going to let you guys check this out. Sounds nice. It's the 8-inch muffler. That's the 8-inch shorty muffler from Dekevic. Let you hear it at idle. Got a nice sound to it. I'm using two mics. I got my Zoom HN1 recorder under my seat and my Rode mic on my GoPro. It's early in the morning. I don't want to piss the neighbors off too much. It's only about 9:15 in the morning. 9:15 in the morning. Some people might not be too happy with that. It's not to the point that it's obnoxious, but it's got a little bit of a growl to it. I love the sound. Much better than the stock muffler. This is to get my soundtracks in order. Beep, beep, beep. I am senile, but I don't make beeping sounds because of being senile. I do it to sync my soundtracks. Alright guys, I highly recommend that Dekevic muffler. I will put a link for it on this channel. Alright guys, stay safe out there. Take good care of your bikes and take good care of your families. See you soon. Oh, let me show you the muffler on the bike. I didn't give you a close-up of it. That's it. I did a video installing it, but I lost the footage. It's pretty simple. I forget whether it was a 35 or a 40 on here. It might have even been a 45 here. But you gotta loosen the heat shield, which is a 20 or a 25, T20 or 25. And it's a 40 or 45, I believe. You gotta loosen that, clamp up. Then this, you're gonna have to get a nut for the backside. When you're putting this high temperature rubber seal cushion on the clamp, I recommend spraying it with Windex so you can make the muffler slick a little bit to get the clamp lined up on there, or else that rubber is going to keep getting bunched up and popping off. All right guys, see you soon. GoPro, stop recording.